On a blistering summer afternoon, the sun hung high in the sky, its relentless heat enveloping the world like a fiery blanket. The ground lay cracked and dry, a testament to nature's unforgiving grasp. Above this desolate landscape, a lone crow soared, its wings flapping wearily against the oppressive air. With every beat, it felt the parched weight of thirst press heavily upon its throat. "Caw, caw, I need water," it croaked, each call growing weaker, more desperate. As the crow flew over ancient trees, silent sentinels of the past, and deserted roads, it searched for relief, but disappointment greeted it at every turn. No shimmering river sparkled in the distance, no pond glimmered with the promise of cool refreshment. Only the vast expanse of arid land met its weary eyes. With its energy waning and hope slipping away, the crow's sharp gaze finally caught sight of something unusual beneath a grand old tree. Descending swiftly, it landed beside a small clay pot nestled in the dirt. Peering inside, the crow's heart leapt. There was water. But as it stretched its beak into the pot, joy turned to frustration. The water was far too low, just out of reach. For moments that felt like an eternity, the clever bird pondered its predicament. It stepped back, its feathers ruffled with determination. Then its sharp eyes spotted a handful of tiny stones scattered nearby. An idea sparked in the crow's mind, one that promised a glimmer of hope. Could these simple stones be the answer? With renewed vigor, the crow picked up the first stone in its beak and let it tumble into the pot. Plop! It followed with another, and another. Plop, plop. Each stone was a small victory, a step towards salvation. Slowly but surely, the water level began to rise, inch by inch, as the crow continued its labor with relentless patience. With each drop of stone, the crow felt its spirit swell. It was a testament to the power of perseverance. So many would have given up, disheartened by the challenge. But not this crow. It pushed on, undeterred, embodying resilience and cleverness. Finally, after what felt like an eternity of effort, a miraculous change occurred. The water reached a level where the crow could drink. With a joyous caw, it dipped its beak into the cool liquid, feeling the refreshing relief wash over it. Life surged back through its wings, and with a triumphant flutter, it soared into the vast blue sky, a silhouette against the radiant sun. This simple yet profound story of the thirsty crow resonates with a powerful lesson. Where there is a will, there is always a way. In the face of adversity, the crow exemplified not just survival, but the brilliance of resourcefulness and determination. As the last rays of sunlight flickered across the horizon, the crow disappeared, leaving behind a tale that would inspire many to come.